Guys, it says that you are staying together. You understand? You are partners, but you don't tell each other your secrets. Especially maybe you are doing a project, you are building a house, or you are saving money for car. You understand? Every time your partner is surprising you with furniture or house, you doesn't plan your things together most of the times. It hurts most of the times because guys, there is no between the two of you. You understand? About planning future most of the times, especially nowadays, because nowadays are very independent. You understand? Guys, a woman can build a house in secret. Guys, a woman, they have got many secrets. You understand? A person can do a project without telling your partner. It's not good sometimes. It's not good because it looks like anytime that person can leave you. You understand? Because most of the times that person is doing many projects without telling you. He can buy a car or build a house. Most of the time your partner can surprise you with something. You doesn't plan things together. I don't think that makes sense most of the time. You understand? Because guys, when you are selling is